The unfiltered truth about modern careers. We're living in a war zone of professional uncertainty. The old rules are dead. Corporate loyalty, a myth. Job security, an illusion. What remains is your ability to adapt, evolve, and dominate. Title: Navigating Career Choices, Finding Your Path, and Pursuing Your Passion in the Modern Economy. In a world that glorifies hustle culture, side gigs, and overnight success, the pressure to find your passion can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth: passion alone won't pay your bills. Discipline, strategy, and realism will. So how do you navigate career choices in this modern economy without losing yourself in the chaos? Today, we're cutting through the noise. No toxic motivation, no empty platitudes, just a stoic approach to building a career that aligns with your strengths, values, and the cold, hard realities of the marketplace. 1. The Stoic Mindset for Career Decisions. They cut to host walking slowly, hands clasped behind his back, deep in thought. Before you chase a dream, ask yourself, is this sustainable or just seductive? The Stoics didn't follow whims. They assessed, adapted, and acted with purpose. Here's how you do the same. 1. Control what you can. You can't control the economy, layoffs, or industry trends, but you can control your skills, your adaptability, and your work ethic. Focus there. 2. Passion versus pragmatism. Passion is fuel, but it's not a roadmap. If your dream job has no demand, you'll burn out struggling to monetize it. Balance what you love with what the world actually pays for. 3. The 10-year test. Picture yourself in a decade. Will this path leave you fulfilled or full of regret? Not every high-paying job is worth your peace. Not every passion project will feed you. Now, let's get tactical. Here's how to make decisions without delusion. Step 1. Audit your skills. List what you're good at, not just what you enjoy. The intersection of skill and demand is where opportunity lives. Step 2. Research ruthlessly. Look at job postings, salary data, and industry growth. If your field is shrinking, no amount of passion will save you. Step 3. Test before you invest. Before quitting your job to pursue photography, sell prints on the side. Before going back to school, talk to people in the field. Validate first. Step 4. Embrace the grind. Every career has unsexy work. Writers edit, entrepreneurs do taxes. Accept the mundane as the price of mastery. 3. The long game, building resilience. B-roll of historical figures, athletes, warriors, symbolizing endurance. The modern economy rewards adaptability, not just talent. Here's how to stay strong when the path gets hard. Anticipate setbacks. Jobs change. Industries evolve. Expect it, and you won't panic when it happens. Diversify your value. Don't rely on one skill or one employer. Build multiple income streams, freelancing, investing, side projects. Protect your mind. Comparison kills ambition. Focus on your progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but the bricks were laid every hour. Your career is the same. So where does this leave you? At a crossroads. But now, with clarity, you don't need to follow your passion blindly. You need to pursue purpose with precision. The fundamental disconnect. The Stoic framework of career mastery. Principle 1. Radical self-assessment. Brutal honesty is your first weapon. Most men lie to themselves about their capabilities. We're going to strip away the ego and look at the raw truth. The personal audit methodology. Skill inventory. List every skill you possess. Market relevance. Match your skills against current market demands. Growth potential. Identify skill gaps that represent opportunity. Principle 2. The competence hierarchy. Forget passion. Passion is the result of mastery, not its starting point. The 3-tier competence model. 1. Survival competence. Basic skills that keep you employed. 2. Professional competence. Skills that make you valuable. 3. Elite competence. Skills that make you irreplaceable. The economic intelligence approach. Understanding market dynamics. The modern economy is a complex ecosystem. Your career is your primary economic vehicle. Treat it with military-like strategy. Diversification. Never rely on a single skill set. Continuous intelligence gathering. Stay ahead of market trends. Skill stacking. Combine unique skill combinations. The skill stacking strategy. Example: technical skill, coding; communication skill, presentation; business understanding, market analysis; rare and valuable professional profile. Mental fortitude. The competitive advantage. Stoicism isn't just philosophy, it's a psychological operating system. Key mental frameworks. Embrace uncertainty. View challenge as opportunities. Develop emotional detachment from professional setbacks. Cultivate inner discipline. Practical implementation roadmap. 90-day skill transformation protocol. 1. Week 1 to 3. Market intelligence. Deep research on your industry. Identify emerging skill requirements. Map your current capabilities. 2. Week 4 to 6. Skill acquisition. Select 2 to 3 high-impact skills. Develop aggressive learning plan. Minimum 10 hours weekly dedicated learning. 3. Week 7 to 9. Practical application. Create projects demonstrating new skills. Build portfolio. Network strategically. 4. Week 385. 10 to 12. Market positioning. Reframe professional narrative. Update professional profiles. Begin strategic outreach. Financial intelligence integration. Your career is your primary wealth generation engine. Treat it with mathematical precision. Income potential calculation sheet. Skill to earning ratio. Long-term value projection. The technology factor. Technology is simultaneously your greatest threat and opportunity. Survival strategies. Embrace AI and automation. Develop skills machines can't replicate. Become a human technology interface expert. The existential challenge. This isn't about a job. This is about constructing your life's work. Your career is the sculpture of your potential. Real success metrics. True success is not salary, title, corporate recognition. True success is continuous growth, strategic autonomy, value creation. Subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Every week we break down practical strategies for professional dominance. No fluff, no false promises, just actionable wisdom. This channel is your blueprint for professional transformation. Your move, gentlemen. Subscribe, grow, conquer. Subscribe now.